was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. Can't touch the bottom, sit into a tumble. Waves that shake me out of my skin. Never been so easy, losing my direction. My bearings have me south of...
Hello and thank you for joining us again. Today we are at another Hipcamp, this time in Cobramunga, which is on the New South Wales side of the River Murray. And it's beautiful. We've got the whole place to ourselves and the river's just over there. I'll take you for a walk in a minute. Yeah, so we're here for 2 nights with the dogs and looking forward to a great long weekend.
Bearings have me south of home. I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home when I barely had left the shore? And I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I loved. I fell asleep within an autumn flow. I never knew I'd drift so far from home while I was waiting in the undertow.
That red wood, it's just beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, check out the colour of that. It's just beautiful.
Beautiful old mill ends.
So these little things I got from Bunnings. They're called Firewood and they're absolutely amazing. And this stuff here I also got from Bunnings is Fatwood, and it's fantastic. You can't stuff up starting a fire with these 2 things.
Challenge accepted.
I'm just looking at the bark that came off the piece of wood that Rick just chopped, and you can see all the lines where the whatever bugs they are have been eating. Interesting. If anyone knows what they are, leave a comment and let us know. There's some more. Oh yeah, little dudes in there. And that one in there as well. There they are. Whatever they are, got that big chompers to get through that wood.
Yeah.
Ah! One firewall and 3 pieces of fat wood. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad at all. And Murray River red gum.
Bearings have me south of home. I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift and fed away like bones, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home when I barely had left the shore?
So in here I have some curry powder. I don't know how much to use. I just made this recipe up, by the way, with a little bit of extra cumin because that's my favourite spice. I love garlic, so there's like 4 enormous cloves. Shredded carrots, I'm way too lazy to chop my own. Oh,
Have a bit of shredded carrot with your curry.
that's not much. Tomatoes. Oh no! I don't think we have a can opener. Some mix everywhere. Some baby spinach and some coconut milk, and then we're good to go.
Unaware where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I love.
And there you have it. Imagine large chunks of succulent beef and gluten-free naan bread.
Waiting in the undertow, set adrift and fed away like bones, unaware where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I love. I fell asleep within an autumn flow. I never knew I drifted so far from home while I was waiting in the undertow.
Oh, good morning. Here we are, day 2, sitting on the banks of the mighty Murray River. Got a couple of sneaky lines in the water. The river is just glassed off. It is gorgeous. While I'm sitting here watching a fishing rod, these two little fellas are sitting here watching me. Hello there. Did you sneak out too, madam?
Ooh,
Oh, he snagged me. Right there.
so that's it for us. We've had a really good couple of days on the Murray at this little hip camp. Didn't do much filming, so this will be a short one. We sat around the campfire, did some camp cooking. Rick had a fish, caught a couple of carp. And for those of you not in Australia, it's illegal to put them back in the river system because they're a pest. But yeah, so that's it for us. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Can't touch the bottom. Sit into a tumble.